You know, it's been hot and sunny all weekend. Yeah, since last weekend, really, all week, and now all weekend again. It's the same weather pretty much every day, but you still tune in every day to see how hot it's going to be, so I appreciate it. But sunshine is coming back for the weekend. Remember, still the eclipse is on Monday, early afternoon. Partly sunny, maybe a slim chance for a brief sea breeze shower, but I think most of the day will kind of look like you see in the graphic there. Just a couple little puffy clouds passing by at times, and things looking pretty good for the eclipse on Monday. Shower chances come in late next week. Maybe a small chance, like I said, for one shower on Monday, but you could start to see a couple more build by Tuesday, Wednesday, or later in the week come back as moisture increases. But I don't think we're looking for any widespread rain that's going to cover the majority of the valley anytime soon. So just little spots of showers here and there, or a weak thunderstorm next week. Right now, though, it's hot and sunny. 103 in McAllen, 95 in Brownsville, 99 in Weslaco. It was over 100 in Weslaco, but it's dropped back a little bit, and most of the upper valley's been over 100 today. Feels like it's over 100. The heat index still in about that 105 to 110 range. And I know what I have to tell you again. You want to slow down, stay cool. You know, especially like today. If you're outside working today, it just felt extra hot because there wasn't a breeze most of the early afternoon. So that heat index up about 105 to 115. Try to stay cool and stay hydrated. It will be about the same through the weekend. A breeze finally picking up just a little bit now, mainly in the mid and lower valley. Wind speeds about 15 to 20 miles per hour, but a few hours ago, the wind speeds were like 5 or 6 miles per hour nearly everywhere. So we've got a little breeze finally going. And this evening, just maybe a light breeze like that in the early evening. But I think the wind's fairly light if you're outdoors this evening after sunset. Temperatures go from the 90s at 7 p.m. through the 80s at 9 p.m. and around 82 at 11 p.m. Pretty clear across South Texas today. Couple little showers and storms in the mountains of Mexico again. And the way the upper level winds are set up, this stuff isn't coming our way. It's pretty much going to hang out there and then fade away around sunset. So future track shows dry weather the rest of tonight with maybe a cloud or two. Tries to show, if you look tomorrow, we have mostly sunny skies, but you see occasionally a little blip of green shows up. Again, like it showed this the last couple of days, it's overdone, what we'll call it. Tries to show a sea breeze shower, but I think it's just too stable and dry again tomorrow, and probably for Sunday too. Just a few puffy clouds passing through. I think we'll stay dry on Sunday with a lot of sunshine, temperatures in the upper 90s and near 100. By Monday, though, I think the atmosphere starts to slowly get maybe a little more unstable. So you see Future Track has a couple showers in the Gulf. It's possible maybe one or two or somewhere inland during the day, but this model run ends at 11 a.m., which is almost eclipse time. But you see how it's shaping up across the valley by then, kind of partly sunny and mainly dry by mid to late morning on Monday toward the eclipse time in the early afternoon. Rain chances dry Saturday and Sunday. We'll say mainly dry on Monday, less than 10% for a small shower chance to build up. But if you are outdoors over the weekend and you want to check just to make sure there aren't any raindrops near you, you can download the KRG mobile app. Also, you can click on the traffic tab right there. If you're out traveling anywhere in the state, you can zoom in and see some of that same traffic data that we show you. You know, all those little pretty green and yellow dots moving or on the screen, that type of stuff. See if there are any slow traffic areas. Tonight, down to 78 degrees, mostly clear, and still fairly humid tonight. Maybe a degree or so cooler than last night with less wind around. And then first 7-day forecast. High temperatures back up there, mostly around 99 over the weekend with mainly sunny skies. Lows in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. By Monday for the eclipse, we're still mainly dry. There, again, might be one or two small little random sea breeze showers, but very little, if anything, to block your view of the eclipse. And as always, you want to use your protective eyewear if you are out there the eclipse on Monday. By Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, a weak upper level disturbance could start to come in with a couple showers around and drag down temperatures again. But remember, wear your eclipse goggles. They're so cool and fashionable. I don't know how you can't wear them, but I can't see anything. But get your protective eyewear for the eclipse by Monday, and we'll be back with your first 1-5 forecast coming up.